President approves appointment of Punjab, KP, Balochistan governors. President Zardari approved the appointment of governors of Punjab, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and Balochistan. PTA refuses to block over 0.5 M SIMs of non-filers. PTA rejected FBR's demand to block SIM of over 0.5 million non-filers, arguing that such order would not have legal bindings, and it would be contrary to the country's legal framework. PM orders fixing responsibility for wheat import. PM Shahbaz ordered for complete transparent investigation into the wheat import scandal, directing to fix responsibility. Pakistani bus driver's son Sadiq Khan wins historic third term as London mayor. Pakistani bus driver's son Sadiq Khan stormed to victory in London mayoral election, making history as the first ever person in British history to clinch 3 terms as London mayor. Maryam launches free medicine delivery project. Punjab CM Maryam inaugurated the Free Medicine Delivery Project for the people across Punjab on Saturday. The results of Federal Public Service Commission's FPSC, Central Superior Services, CSS, exams for the year 2023 were announced on Saturday. Major shuffle in PMLN likely. A major shuffle is expected within PMLN as Khawaja Saad Rafiq is likely to become its next Secretary General. PPP mulls role in Federal Cabinet. It is expected that PPP would decide whether to join government first or Punjab government and also timing of joining. Education Ministry prepares emergency plan to hire teachers for FDE institutions. Ministry of Federal Education prepared emergency plan for hiring of teachers under Federal Directorate of Education. PM aide suggests fixing CJP's tenure. Advisor to the Prime Minister on Political and Public Affairs Rana Sanaullah suggested fixing the term of the Chief Justice of Pakistan. Saudi Arabia's investment delegation due today. A high-level trade delegation from Saudi Arabia is scheduled to arrive in Pakistan today with aim of exploring investment opportunities in various sectors. Taiwan will have Trump's support if he wins. A former U.S. ambassador appointed by Donald Trump said he believed former president would again support Taiwan if he wins back White House. Fazal says no proposal to form anti-government Grand Alliance. It would not be in good taste if he criticized his opponent, who was in jail but still making statements about him, says Fazal. Honorary rank of captain conferred on Amir Khan. Army chief appreciates the athletes for their phenomenal achievements in the field of sports and expressed full confidence in Pakistan's youth for their outstanding potential.